Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to increase media volume while in a call on iPhone. First of all, you can open the iPhone home screen. After opening the screen, just simply swipe down at the top of the screen, and here you can see the control centers of the iPhone. You can see the option volume. You can just simply swipe down to decrease the volume and swipe up to increase the volume. When while you are in call on iPhone, you can just simply try the same method, and here you can just simply swipe up to increases the media volume while in a call on iPhone. And it is a way you can increase media volume while in a call on iPhone. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.